I'm doing a video on the dimensions of this air cannon that I just made. I'm shooting in autofocus right now, and the motor is pretty loud, so sorry for the autofocus noise, but here we go. So I'm going to start here, and basically the chamber is made of 2-inch PVC pipe, and it's 2 feet long, and there's a 2-inch end cap, a 2-inch coupler that reduces down, and then a reducer that reduces down to 3/4 inch pipe, and all of this here is 3/4 inch stuff until you get to the valve. So then coming out from there is a small piece of pipe, and you kind of have to experiment with these pieces because you can't really get the right. It's kind of just I think that's like a 2-inch piece. All of them are about 2 inches, and then 90 degree, another about 2-inch piece. I think actually this is like 1.5 inches, but the bigger pieces are like 2 inches. So 90 degree elbow, 2-inch piece. This is all 3/4 inch. T that goes down to another piece of PVC pipe, and then the end cap and a valve, and another piece of PVC, and then 45 degrees, sorry. And then this piece is about, I kind of have to compensate for it going into the pieces. So this piece is about 6.5 inches. And this piece is, I think this piece is 7 inches. This piece is 5 inches, and this piece is 9 inches. And there's 4 90 degree elbows. And then this piece is about 3.5 inches. And under here there's another small piece, like 2-inch piece. 45, another smaller piece, and then a reducer from 3/4 down to 1/2 inch. And then another small piece of 1/2 inch. Valve, 1/2 inch small piece, 45 degree, and then up here is the breech. And the breech, I made it like 3 inches, but I would go something more like 2.5 is probably what would work better, because you don't really need it that big. And then this piece, sliding piece, is made of a piece of 3/4 inch pipe that I cut, and it slides over really nicely, and then I just wrapped it with electrical tape to keep it tight. And then down here, so basically it's not really necessary, but I just wanted to do it just because there's kind of a stop. So this is a 1/2 inch coupling that I just put in, and the whole length, so this length right here is about, what is that? That's about 8.5 inches. So this piece where the breech is about 8.5 inches. This piece over here, I think it's about 2 feet. I'll have to check on that. And then this end piece is optional, but I just made it kind of for looks. And that's just a piece of 3/4 inch pipe that I used a heat gun to heat it up, and then I stuffed it over the end of this. And that worked okay. I just painted it black. So that's pretty much it, I think. If you want to do this dart thing, I basically took, I guess it's kind of like goes around pipes, and I cut it in half and just folded it around, and I glued it with hot glue so it's not permanently on there. So if I want to, I can take it off. I tried to wrap it with electrical tape like I did with these places, but, oh yeah, so if you do it with electrical tape, under there I put a little spacer of just PVC pipe. So that's what I tried to do. I tried to wrap it like I did here, and it bent the pipe way in, so that wasn't really very good. So if you're going to do it that way, you just have to make sure you put a spacer in there, which I could do, but it just works better like that for the darts. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.